Namaste and hello. This is Trendy Techno Talks. In this video, we'll be discussing about the design and implementation phase in an RPA project. Once the feasibility analysis is accepted by the stakeholders and they decide to start the automation, there are series of steps which are followed and involve many teams of the organization like the process team, the business analyst team, design team, automation architect and the automation team. So this is how the steps follow. The stepwise operating document SOP is created by the business analyst who jot down all the steps which are followed manually by to execute this task. Now this document, that is the stepwise operating document, is signed by the business process lead, who is the SME of the process. Once this SOP is signed by the process lead, it is known as the process design document. Now this is the process design document which is shared to the implementation team. Implementation teams have the resources who have knowledge of the RPA tools. Now when they have the steps which are to be followed in the process and they have the knowledge about the RPA tools, they create a document known as solution design document. This solution design document is duly reviewed and signed by the automation architect. When it is signed by the automation architect, then it is shared with the development team and the development of bot starts. Just to summarize, we can say that the business analyst will sit with the process SME and create a document having a stepwise design including all the functional and the non-functional details. So now we have a stepwise operating document which is shared for review to the process lead, the manual process lead, who will sign off this document, and it is known as the process design document. The process design document is then shared to the implementation team who will develop a solution design document which is signed by the automation architect, and this solution design document will be shared to the development team. Now the development of bot will be done where the RPA developers will build the bot according to these requirements. So they will use different tools available for the RPA projects like the UiPath, Automation Anywhere, Blue Prism and many more. So once this development is done, like any other software lifecycle, the RPA project lifecycle is also the same, where the development is followed by the testing phase. So when the development of bot is completed, system integration testing is done, which is followed by the user acceptance testing, and then finally the deployment is done. Here comes a very important term known as hypercare, which refers to a grace period where anything noticed to be missed or need improvisation can be handled and fixed. So we can say it as a support during the go live phase. This is how the different phases occurs in the RPA project lifecycle. Thank you.